Finally, I get to make this video. I've been wanting to make this video for a very long time. So many people who visit the studio keep asking me if I had actually purchased a Flstudio. To answer your questions, yes, I did. So actually today I want to make an unboxing video, but technically it's not an unboxing video because I've already opened the package. I actually got the software in 2017. Flstudio actually comes in 4 editions. Flstudio Editions, Signature Bundle, Producer, and all plugins bundle. So I got the Signature Bundle from Flstudio. So I later created my account with the Imagelines website, and then I upgraded my software to all plugins edition. They had a sale going on. I exactly do not remember when that happened, but then they had the sale, so I just upgraded my Flstudio version. So you guys can see there is a manual, so you get to learn regarding the software. So you can also check out their online help section. There are plenty of tutorials and stuff, and you get this beautiful, I'm not sure if this is leather or not, but then this looks very premium finished pen drive. Alongside this, you will also have a copy of the serial number which you have to enter for registering the software. And then for future updates, that's what FL is great about. You don't have to pay for any other updates. It's lifetime updates for free. So you can always go to the Imageline website, create an account for yourself, then download the latest version. I will make the next videos on how exactly you can install the software and how to have a hassle-free experience while installing it. Until next time, I'm Chandra. I'm a music producer. This is my channel. So if you guys did like this video, share this with your friends and your music producer community. Share this with your family, and then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And when you subscribe, please do press the bell icon so that you get the notification for future videos. So I'll follow this episode with how to install the FL Studio, what are the pros and cons, and more videos to follow up soon. Bye.